Certification philosophy is the high-level design mindset that regulators and engineers agree on before an aircraft ever flies. It's the logic behind how strong and safe a structure must be, assuming real-world use and damage. Safe life means a part is designed to last its entire service life without cracking or failing. It gets replaced before damage is expected to start, like how a race car part is swapped before the race is over. Fail-safe is like having a backup plan. If one structural element breaks, the loads jump to other parts, so the aircraft stays intact until the issue is found and fixed. Damage tolerance assumes cracks will exist, so structures are built to keep flying safely long enough for cracks to be detected and repaired through regular inspections. Modern aircraft favor damage tolerance because it recognizes that tiny flaws happen in real life, and planes are designed with this reality in mind, making them safer and more economical over their long service lives. Inspections are the safety checkpoints. They confirm that tiny cracks haven't grown dangerously, letting engineers replace parts before anything becomes a major problem.